Hi everyone, welcome to May's video on the Greek Street Bridge replacement project. This is the third video that I've filmed on the scheme, so if you haven't seen any of my earlier videos, I'll leave a link to them at the top right hand corner of the screen now. Also, if railway infrastructure projects are something of interest to you, I'll leave a link to a full playlist on previous projects that I've covered when we get to the end of the video. So now the scheme is well underway. All the roads are shut off nearby. You can't get anywhere near it. So this entire video will be filmed from the drone. So looking south towards Shaw Heath here, the main thing that has happened recently is it looks like they're lifting the road surface, and they definitely have got rid of the actual roundabout. So I'm guessing they're just digging down to get to the beams that are due to be replaced, because I think that's the main thing that the project is because of. So looking down Greek Street in the direction of Edgeley Park, as you can see, there's still pedestrian access around the side of the pub, but the road's just completely closed off. But this is looking up Shaw Heath in the direction of Stockport train station. See there, exactly the same situation as it was on Greek Street with the road surface being lifted. This is looking along Mercian Way, looking south towards Edgeley Park. Just bringing the drone backwards now, and I see it's just exactly the same there. Now, just looking back at the site compound that is at the side of Stockport train station. So some prep work taking place. I think the main bulk of the work is going to be taking place in the summer holidays around August time, from what I've seen on the signage. So we'll keep an eye on it, probably nip down every few weeks and then increase it a little bit towards summer when the main bulk's taking place. If you can like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos on the project. I'll see you next time. Thanks everyone.